everybody, I'm Leela and welcome back to my channel. So today is the first day of a brand new mini series I'm doing called Diary of a Wavy Girl, because if you haven't noticed from some of my videos, I do have wavy hair. However, my hair is kind of in this in-between land. It's not straight, it's not curly. I also don't have like giant waves. What I have is what is oftentimes known as beach wave. So, and the shorter my hair is, actually the more body it has to it. The longer it is, there's more weight on my hair, and so it pulls it down a bit. So it can tend to frizz. But anyway, so I kind of wanted to show you. Here, I'll turn around so you can see the back of my hair. So oftentimes on the top, it's just kind of frizzy and light, but if I move some of these layers over, you will see underneath, especially in this area here, it's very defined and very wavy. So, in fact, if I blow dry my hair and try to straighten it out a bit with cold air, oftentimes the top is smoothed down, but underneath there is still some of that body. And I'll show that in another video regarding how to style wavy hair. In these videos, I will also be trying different products specifically designed for wavy hair. And so we're just gonna have fun with it. There will also be just photos of days where I just can't deal and just, you know, put my hair up and stuff, because there are a lot of days like that where I just can't deal. In fact, I hardly ever go out just with my hair down like this. Today this hair, it's freshly washed hair and air dried. I went to work this way and just came back, so it's been this way for several hours. It probably looked a lot better earlier. But anyway, I hope that you will all enjoy this mini series. And I will see you soon. Thank you for watching.